Custom checkout fields are an essential key for tailoring your Booqable account for your unique business. They are essentially extra information fields that you can add to your online checkout to get essential information from your customers who place orders online. So let's get started. First, you can click into the settings panel from your Booqable account and click into custom fields. Under the order field section, add the custom field that you wish to assign to the online checkout. So for an example, if you are a medical supplies company, you might enter in insurance and then select the data type of a drop-down menu. And when you select a drop-down menu, you will need to add all of the options for your customers to fill out. So maybe you have customers with either basic insurance or deluxe insurance, and then you would enter in the word insurance, and they can select from those two options on the online checkout. Or perhaps you are a scooter rental company that needs all of the information of the different drivers of your bikes. So you would enter in all bike riders and then the multi-line text data type. So the customer will have multiple lines of text to fill out all of their different families, names, and ages, for example. But if you are like me and you're an event rental company, this could be the quantity of guests that this client's event will have. And then I will choose just a single line text as they just need to fill out a number. Here you have the custom field variable, which you can also edit. So this is the small little line of code, which basically you can enter in your email templates. So if you have an automated email, such as the order confirmation that Booqable sends on your behalf for every online order, you can add this little line of code into that email template, which links straight from here, to make sure that the quantity of guests is included on the order confirmation email. And you can also make sure that this information field is added on your quotes, your contracts, your invoice, and your packing slip. For me, I don't need the quantity of guests to be shown in the packing slip, as it's just my warehouse and office staff that see that, so I will toggle this off, but I will include it on all of the customer-facing documents and hit save. So now once this order field appears in your order information section here, you can click the Configure Checkout Field button. And this will bring you to the Checkout Fields section. You can also find this section under Online Reservations, Checkout, and Checkout Fields. So again, this is where you can add all of the fields that will appear on your online checkout of your store. So now let's add new checkout field and enter in the label that the customer will see, quantity of guests, with a colon, for example. And then from the drop-down menu, you will enter in this new order field that you have added. And again, this order field will appear in your manual order screen as well. You can also choose if this is a mandatory field. So for example, if it is mandatory and the customer doesn't fill it out, they will not be able to proceed to payment and to process the order until it is filled out. So you may choose to have that clicked on or off and then hit save. You can add as many custom fields as you like, and when you are ready, you can go into your online store. You can find that by clicking Online Store and View Online Store. And let's refresh this now. And this should have our new information field added, quantity of guests, which your customer can fill out, accept the terms and agreements, and complete their order.